Today's question comes from Marlon, who asks this question. My organization gave me a Power BI license. So 2 questions. First of all, can I use all things in Microsoft Fabric? And secondly, will the company be charged if I use some of the services that are Microsoft Fabric exclusive? Great question. So let's answer the first one. With a Power BI Pro license, can you create all things in Microsoft Fabric? Not on its own. The other part that you need is you do need that Fabric capacity. The Fabric capacity is what enables you to create Fabric items. If you have a Power BI Pro license and you don't have a capacity, you'll see in the UI that you can try to create objects that are Fabric exclusive. But if you do, before you can create the object, you'll get a message that says you need a capacity in order to create this object, and it'll prompt you to create one. From there, you have the choice of either provisioning a Fabric capacity and assigning it to your workspace, or provisioning a trial, which then can be provisioned to that workspace and would allow you, with your Power BI Pro license, to create Fabric items. Second question, will the company be charged if I use some of the services it has? Only if you're using a paid Fabric capacity. If you use the trial does not incur a cost on its own. A Fabric capacity will incur it, and by provisioning the capacity, that is what is incurring the cost. It's not necessarily about creating the objects itself. Short answer to both of those questions is Power BI Pro licensing on its own will not allow you to do anything in Fabric. You need that capacity to do anything, and as far as the cost associated with it, the trial does not have a cost associated to it. A Fabric capacity will. So if you want to take that next step with your Power BI Pro license and build Fabric items, get that capacity going, and you'll be able to take your next steps to learning the platform. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, Marlon, for the question.